Hello my friends, hello everyone who right now watching this video. My name is Waider and I just want to tell you that I'm definitely return home, guys. Because in 2020 our online channel will gonna get the new fresh air. The new fresh air of the opportunities, the new fresh air of the new quality videos, all the ways and methods how to make money online. And of course maybe some of you right now, most of you are gonna ask me the question, hey listen team, where you've been all this time? Where you've been all these days? Where was your videos? And of course guys, I just want to tell you something. I was silent for a while, right? But I was silent for a reason. Because with my leaders, with my people, we started to build the new project. Exactly the serious business, guys. The serious opportunity which one every time people is waiting. They searching for that. They waiting for something. They searching for something. And I just want to tell you 100% we find it, guys. Because 5 months when I was not recording the videos, we building the business, guys. That time we was building the business and still we're doing that. And this company which I want to show you today with my return, which call it One World Network, right now is really exploding the world, guys. Many people who building with us, who working with us, they're really excited because this kind of the online business you can't even imagine, because it's really work incredible. You can withdraw money to any card, to any payment processor, and it's really working great. We have the great products, the great trainings, the great tools, and exactly the way for all the people who wants to find the way of success. Because like I said, 2020 for the online channel will be really amazing because it will be the year of changes for my subscribers, for the new people, and of course for the many new guys who are gonna join online channel, and of course who are gonna get information from the One World Network, who are gonna join OWN, because it's called like OWN, yeah, OWN, One World Network. It also will be the home for the many people who are gonna join this opportunity. Because just for the short 5 months, guys, we made a lot of the work. Most of the people who join, like 90%, they're making the great commission. They travel the world, and we're gonna show you all of that in the next video. We're gonna show you the process. We're gonna show you exactly what you must to do, how you must to build this business, exactly the steps and tutorials, all that stuff, guys, on the online channel. And I just want to tell you guys that 2020 will be the momentum for the many people who was struggling to find some business, who was struggling to find some opportunities how to make money online. This will be definitely your home, not just home for my partners, not just the home for my people, for me, it also will be the home for you, for my subscribers who was waiting for the great opportunities, who was waiting for my return on the online channel. And in 2020, I just want to tell you that I'm definitely excited. I'm on the 100% feeling great because this opportunity is growing. We're changing lives around the world, and the next life which we're gonna change will be yours, guys. So I just really wondering, guys, just place some comments below if you was waiting for my return on the online channel. Of course, if you're watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, don't forget to click the button to subscribe, and of course don't forget to put the like, because it will gonna show me that you still with me, that you was waiting for the videos, and you excited that we right now return, exactly me return on the way of success, guys, on the way of success to helping the people every single day. My friends, honestly, I just want to tell you that I'm really excited that I'm returned on the YouTube, and right now will be more quality videos how to make money online, the new information, like I said, the new fresh air, which will gonna help you to be successful in the 2020. We'll see you in the tutorials. We'll see you really soon in the new quality stuff, in the new videos. Own your life and stay blessed.